morning, guys. Morning, evening, it doesn't matter. I know I look different, don't I?
Wow.
Yeah. So it is Cameron's first day back to school. Summer break is over. Yep, summer break done completely. So, you know, it's his first day. I'm gonna bring him to school. I'm excited. I'm getting him haircut, him look sharp. You know, uniform and so ready for the road. But guys, big up on yourself. You know, thank you always so much for your support. Like, your comment, your subscription. I see you guys. We are growing. We are growing. Angle. Big up on yourself. I appreciate y'all.
Yes. So Cameron back from his first day of school.
When you walk into school, the first place you go is breakfast, not the classrooms. And the school honestly wasn't that bad. It really wasn't. I met a few new friends.
New friend already?
And this girl from my other school, I saw her.
She got a transfer as well?
Yeah.
Wow.
And she became my girlfriend.
What?
Yeah.
That is too soon.
I know. No. I've known her for a long time. Since last year. I've known her for 3 years.
So why wasn't she your girlfriend at that school?
Because she hated me. Well, we thought that we hated each other. But then I told her that I used to have a crush on her. At the old school.
What about the studies? What about the school work?
You want to know about the boring school? We didn't do anything.
That's what I want to hear about. Education.
We didn't do
I want to
anything.
hear about all this extra stuff with girlfriends.
Punch yellow. But my teachers weren't mean actually. They were actually all pretty nice. They were all old people too. You know how some old people are grumpy and some aren't.
You're telling me.
So, today we got to switch. Well, actually, we did kind of learn. Not really. We learned the expectations from that school. Like we didn't already know. Like all the schools always have the same expectations. Unless you go to a higher grade, like middle school or high school. So, after that, the 9:55 computer guy came in and he told us all about what we should do, what we shouldn't do with the computer. He gave us a permission slip to give to our parents to sign.
Guys, so we are at Orbeez, and of course, you know, them shit machine not work. I said, Jesus Christ, it's all something. Like, can we get a shit? Yes, I watch this all. Upset. Cameron. Everywhere we go, them shit machine broken. So, yes, lang yan. I've decided to make him a shake at home. Yeah, I'm gonna make you the best milkshake ever. Trust me, it's gonna be great. You excited? It is time to make the shake. Boom! Chocolate. We have caramel. We have creamer, cinnamon, vanilla, milk. Here.
Is that brownie batter?
Yeah. Ice cream in. Yep. Milk in. Yep. Caramel. Ooh.
Came out easy too.
Cinnamon.
Hey.
Vanilla.
Vanilla extract. Why is it black or brown?
That's the color of vanilla. And then some creamer. Yeah.
You're gonna crush it up or just gonna fill it in there?
It's gonna be crushed when it's not all of it. I just use like a half or just one. There it is. And more milk, because the milk, you know, is gonna make the base. So it should look like this. Ooh. Now we blend it up, guys. Let's go. That, some sugar, because the sugar is like the best part.
So chunky.
This one is mine. And then we get the straw.
bubbles.
Boom. Boom.
Exactly like your banana shake, which you put the Milky Way and the banana. What else do you put in it? Milky Way, banana.
A lot of stuff. I even put
It
chocolate
gave it
syrup.
A nut feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like that granola bar thingy. That
Mm-hmm.
granola bar was what reminded me of the banana shake.
Yeah.
Overall, it's breathtaking.
It's breathtaking. That's different. You gotta get it together.
Now what all this?
This is what you need after a long day of school.
Very hard.